Okay, today our lesson will be an equation of altitude in a triangle. Altitude, it can be similar to the word altitude, it can be similar to height. So altitude in a triangle, what does it mean? If I have triangle ABC, then if I go to the vertex, C, the line going from the vertex perpendicular to the base will be altitude. This is altitude. It is 90 degrees to the base. It comes from the vertex. If I have a triangle, it looks like this. So altitude for this triangle will be perpendicular 90 degrees. I extend this one. This is my altitude. So altitude can be from any vertex. It can be from this vertex, can be from this vertex, can be from this vertex. So altitude is a perpendicular line from a vertex of a triangle to the base, which is the opposite side. The base is the opposite side. So altitude is similar to height. Okay, let's see. Find an equation of altitude from vertex A, where we are given A is 17, B is 64, and C is -3, 5. Okay, so this is, let's visualize this one here. If this is my A, this is my B, this is my C, altitude is from here, which is 90 degrees. This is the equation of altitude we are looking for. So in this case, the steps would be find the slope of BC. Since altitude is perpendicular to BC, their slopes are negative reciprocal. So find slope of BC. Find the slope of BC, therefore slope is always small m, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. BC would be 5, take away 4 over -3, take away -6. This is -6. -3, take away -6, which is 1/3. Therefore, find slope of BC. BC, the slope is 1/3. Then find the slope of altitude. Which means the perpendicular from A. Altitude from A. So since they are perpendicular, slope is negative reciprocal of 1/3. Negative reciprocal of 1/3, which is -3. So the slope of the altitude is -3. Now, in finding altitude, we don't need the midpoint. We saw that for perpendicular bisector or for median, we find the midpoint. Here, we don't need the midpoint. So we have only one choice here. We have use the vertex A to find y-intercept, which is the B. Therefore, I have y equal to mx plus b. Now, if I have y equals minus b, I know m already. I use the point which is a. We know that the coordinates of a were 1, 7. So I use 7 equal to negative 3 times 1 plus b. 7 equal to negative 3 plus b. So b equal to 10. Therefore, equation of altitude is y equal to negative 3x plus 10. So we have 3 equations of altitude. So this is one from A. I can have different one from B or from C. Okay, that's a typical example for equation of altitude.